Hello, just wanted to really quickly recap some of our hand washing skills. Really important when we're baking and cooking anyway, and particularly important at the moment. So first of all, I'm going to take off my jewels, my rings and my watch, my bracelet, roll up sleeves. Now we can either use hand soap and a nail brush, or we can use the liquid soap. Both are as good as each other, but it's how we do it that's important. So now make your hands really wet, and with the soap you're going to agitate those bubbles to make them nice and frothy and bubbly. Get in between all your nooks and crannies, your thumbs, your fingernails. Remember, our nails shouldn't be too long. And we're going to keep rubbing and massaging for at least 20 seconds, but we've also been singing Happy Birthday for many years, twice. So we could sing Happy Birthday to ourselves twice. I won't now, because that's a bit embarrassing. So here we go. I think that's good enough. We've done that long enough, got some nice bubbles, and now we've got to rinse off. Really important to rinse thoroughly, because we don't want any of that soap to find its way in our recipes. Good, shake them off. I'm using a hand towel rather than a tea towel, because the tea towel really should be just for our pots and pans and things. So hand towel, thoroughly dry your hands, and I think we're ready to bake.